Hello friends, this is Aravinder Anne Arut channel. Welcomes you. How are you? So this video represent wish you happy Christmas and a advanced happy New Year 2021. So I request you to all the viewers to kindly view the full video. So now we will go to the video inside. Hello friends, Christmas 2020. Christmas is a time of joy and warmth, surrounded with the love of family members and the camaraderie of friends. After the rough year that 2020 has been, we are all looking forward to the most wonderful time of the year when people across the world come together to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ on December 25th. Each year, families get together, some visit their friends, and indulge in memorable parties to celebrate the festive season. Christmas is a time of joy and warmth, surrounded with the love of family members and the camaraderie of friends. Over the years, it has become much more than just the celebration of Jesus Christ's birth. Now it is seen to embody the spirit of giving and affection that one carries along with them for the rest of the year and is also celebrated by people across faiths. Even with the ongoing pandemic and the new strains threatening another lockdown, of festival of Christmas brings joy and hopefulness along with it. The celebrations might have to be kept at a minimum and large gatherings may seem next to impossible, but these difficulties can scarcely dampen the spirit of the festive season. Christmas or the Feast of Nativity is celebrated annually on December 25th in commemoration of the birth of Jesus Christ. The festival has immense religious and cultural significance to billions of Christian and non-Christians alike. The English term Christmas has a fairly recent origin and translates as Mass on Christ's Day. Different countries across the globe have different names for this celebration. In Germany, it is referred to as Yuletide, which may have been derived from the Germanic Yule or the Anglo-Saxon Yule. In Spanish, it is referred to as Navidad and Natal in Italian and as Noel in French. Since the early 20th century, the celebration of the Christmas has become much more secular and family oriented rather than religious. Even so, all practitioners of the faith go to the mass organized in the church, participate in various charity events, and even go caroling for the glory of the Holy Trinity. In the first 2 centuries on Christianity, there was the strong opposition for the celebrating the birth of Christ as he was considered a martyr for all people. It was commonly believed that saints and martyrs should be honored on the day of their martyrdom, which was considered to be their true birthday rather than the day they were born. It is a common tradition among Christian children to perform the nativity play for all the family elders. The nativity play recounts the story of the nativity of Jesus or his birth as it is described in the biblical gospel of the Luke and Matthew. The two different accounts agree that Jesus Christ was born in Bethlehem in Judea. His mother Mary was betrothed to a man named Joseph, who was descended from King David but was not the biological father of Lord Jesus, as his birth is considered to be a divine intervention. Celebrations. Christmas, as we celebrate now, is quite a modern interpretation of the ancient pagan celebrations. Currently, it is heavily centered around the mythical figures of Santa Claus, also known as a Kris Kringle. Santa Claus is the traditional patron of Christmas in the United States and other countries. His popular image is based on the traditions associated with the Saint Nicholas, a 4th century saint. Santa is rumored to live on the North Pole along with his family helpers elves. Each year Santa Claus keeps an eye on the children of the world and gives gift to all those who has been nice in the year prior. He rides on his sleigh from North Pole giving gifts to the children all around the world on Christmas Eve. They exchange of gifts, decorating the house in the twinkling lights and the ornaments, cooking a grand meal, all are modern traditions surrounding the celebration of Christmas. The festival marks the close of the year and the symbolizes all things heartwarming and jolly, as it is a time when people all over the world visit their families and spend time together. Even amid in the pandemic, families are organizing Zoom meetings and online dinners to get some semblance of normalcy during the holiday season. Happy New Year messages for 2021. Ringing the New Year is a cause for the celebration, for spending time with friends and family, and for offering Happy New Year wishes. Browse the Happy New Year messages below to express your New Year wishes and sum up what the past year has meant to you. A lot can happen in a year, and between the good, the bad, and the ugly, this may seem like an understatement for the most. New Year greetings. Now we welcome the new year full of things that we have never been. Happy New Year. I hope all your dreams come true in 2021 onwards and upwards. What the new year brings to you will depend a great deal on what you bring to the new year. Hello friends, I think you like this video. We will meet once again the next video very shortly. Thank you for watching.